We have a show coming up that we are planning to take our D200 to, and of course we need to get into the gas tank. Why? Because it's a 49-year-old truck. And although it apparently has a plastic gas tank, there is a lot in there. So we really need to clean this out. And we have about 4 days to do this. And then put the bed back on. This truck does feature dual gas tanks. We don't have the auxiliary hooked up, correct?
No, it's
correct.
It's everything's unhooked over here. So I have to buy a new like a switchover pump, and I haven't found where I can get it yet because finding parts for this truck is very hard. So once I do that, I'm gonna hook both up. But this is a big tank. I didn't know how big it was until I was under there.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It goes pretty far under there.
It's been a while since we've been under this truck.
And this is the second time we've had the bed off.
It is. We originally took the bed off to do all the wiring.
Yeah,
there's a wasp's nest somewhere. Without 100% certainty of actually where it is.
There's 10 of them. And I was like, I jumped off the tractor and ran in the garage like a little girl here. So I replaced this one and this one and this one, but not this one. And I think we replaced.
We have to go back and watch our videos.
Looks like that one is leaking. Hopefully it'll come out. So ready to see what's in here. I'll just kind of give it some taps. Try to raise it free.
Little tap, tap, tap.
And that one. Alright.
The big reveal.
Oh, it's gone! The pickup tube.
So this is another Brenda situation.
Yeah, look, it's gone. It's missing all kinds of stuff. You see it there? Oh, look at all that stuff in there. Look at that. You see it?
You do.
Come my way. Oh my God. There's a lot. See, this is why we had to take this off, the bed off. Here's the bolt. There's a bolt. Yeah. There's a bolt.
All right.
Oh my God.
It's probably time to pull down the gas tank and get a new sending unit. And yeah. Eric got the gas tank out and has most of the gas out of it. We got a little bit of stuff rolling around in there that we got to get out. And then we are going to try to clean it out so that we can put the new sending unit back in it. We cleaned the gas tank out, found a whole bunch of stuff in there. What do you have? So that's the stuff that we found.
Not that. That's the stuff that was in there. Sorry.
That wouldn't fit through the end of that. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. We're not going to open that. See what else was in there, but there's some stuff from the gas tank.
hope this is the right one. Open the wrong end. It says up this way, right?
Yeah.
They gave us a new gasket and screws.
Yeah. I saw that came with it. That's why it was such an incredible buy. We will put a link to this in the description. If this is the correct one. For the sending unit in the front tank of our 76 Dodge D200.
Hold on, let me get the old one.
Okay.
It's pretty much the same, just a different design. These are turned different.
It's an upgraded design.
It doesn't matter which way they're turned, just as long as it plugs up.
Alright. Fantastic.
Super tight, and that one's super tight. Okay, so now I
What did
think
you use on there?
this goes
5/16?
there. Those are 5/16.
Okay.
These are 5/16. I think this is how it goes.
We're gonna have to test it before we put the bed back on.
That's how it goes. I know.
Because wouldn't that be a bummer?
No, that's how it goes. Get out of here. That's my wires I put on there. Alright, so we just need these little guys. That's for the other filler neck. Oh. These are not 5/16s. These are, I think, a quarter, maybe. They're 5/16s. I was seeing if you're paying attention. Again.
Right.
We're gonna have to do some. We're gonna have to make a new one of those clamps. Run her on there. Give it nice. Be stingy. So my question is, now that I have, is how do I do this? Do I run it like that? I mean, that'd probably be the best bet, but then it's in a circle. Or do I run it back like that? Then it's kinked.
I was gonna say the circle looked best.
I mean, I can.
I take it you can't wiggle that guy around and move him the other way?
This guy?
Either one of them?
No, they're welded to it.
Okay.
I say we just try the loop and
All right.
see what happens. If it doesn't run right, we know.
I mean, is the bed's not gonna sit on it, right?
No.
No. All right.
Okay.
Then that makes sense to me.
We'll run the loop.
By the way, if you watched our 2-year-old Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice video where we coated this all with Shine Juice, it still looks very nice. This is, I think we're about a week later, but it is still sticky. So if you have a 2-year-old bottle, your shine will be sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
She's like a glove now. Let's see, where's that at? Right there. So I can actually come up to right here. All right. That worked.
Excellent.
Excellent.
So far, no leaks.
It looks clean in there.
All right. Much cleaner than it was.
So I wonder if I just pop that open, just stick that on there like that for now, and we try to fire this.
I mean, hypothetically.
This is just a vent.
Hypothetically.
Yeah, it's a vent. That's all it is a vent.
Okay.
Just stand out of the way for a minute. Okay, that's going to be a fun one. It goes right through that little shoot at her. All right.
Fancy.
I don't remember doing that. I say we try to fire it up.
Let's do it.
Every last drop.
Gas is expensive. Let's see what happens.
Look at how amazingly clean that is.
I was talking about how much it filled up.
Well, yeah, but also look at how amazingly clean that is. Fuel tank is cleaned out. We've got the new sending unit in, and we've got some new fuel line run. Got the filler neck back on. All we have to do now is get that bed back on. And with that, the bed is back on, the gas tank is clean, and the truck is running again. Follow us for more, and we'll see you next time.